Hey guys, it's the Tech Kid again, and today we're going to be unboxing the Fire TV Stick 4K. Okay guys, so here we have the Fire TV Stick 4K on the table right here. So let's look at the box. So it says it has Brilliant Picture and Alexa voice remote, and it's from Amazon, and it has 4K HDR. And so this is just the front of the box. It has Alexa, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, which is pretty good. Dolby Vision, Atmos, quad core, and Wi-Fi 802.11 AC. So those are pretty basic good features. Except, I really like that they've added a change with adding Alexa to them without buying another Alexa. You can just have the Alexa radio in it. So but you can't connect anything with it. You can't say Alexa turn the lights on, and the other things are only limited to Alexa. So it says powerful cinematic entertainment. With a powerful quad-core processor, you can enjoy instant access to 4K Ultra HD content up to 60 frames per second. The brilliant color of Dolby Vision HDR, the audio clarity of Dolby Atmos. I love Dolby Atmos audio. It's honestly, it's really good audio. So, tens of thousands of channels, apps, and Alexa skills. Watch all your favorites from Netflix, Hulu, HBO, Showtime, Prime Video, and NBC, plus access to live news and sports. Well, not just those things. There's a lot more things in there, as well as millions of websites like YouTube, Facebook, and Reddit. It says and also it has a next-gen Alexa voice remote. It says just press and ask to easily find, launch, and control content. Say find comedies or play The Good Place, and Alexa will respond, playing The Good Place on Netflix or something, whatever. I don't know what that show is. So dedicated power, volume, and mute buttons help you control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receiver. Alexa can also switch to cable and control smart home devices. So I was wrong about that. Do more with your TV. Fire TV is always getting smarter with new Alexa skills and voice functionality with live camera feeds. Check the weather. Camera feeds, it doesn't have a camera built into there, or your TV. I don't think TVs have cameras, but I don't know. The weather, order pizza, and stream millions of songs through Amazon Music, Spotify, Pandora, and iHeartRadio. So some of them are Alexa, find Thrillers, rewind 30 seconds, or play Westworld. And so what's included is, I just focus the camera right here. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, Alexa voice remote, second generation, 2 AA batteries, power adapter, and USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. So what you need is high-speed internet Wi-Fi. You need it to be high-speed, but if you want it to function well, you can do it high-speed. HDTV or 4K HDTV with HDMI input. So let me just focus the camera back up here. And so without further ado, let's actually open the box. So I've been really excited to open this box. The reason I'm uploading these it took time to ship from Amazon. Usually we have Prime shipping, so it ships in 1 to 2 days. So I'm just going to put the box aside. And so let's, without further ado, should open the rest of the box. So as you can see, we have that slid out. So let's actually open the stuff. So first we have the Fire TV itself. So it's just pretty basic. It's amazing that all this stuff can just be in this small of a thing. It's literally about the size of my hand. And so it has a USB cable here, a USB-A cable here, HDMI to plug into your thing, and it says HDMI right here. So let's just set that right here. So we just take the wrapping of the Alexa voice remote. So so it has, this is the on button, the Alexa button, the navigation buttons, the return button, home button, menu button, rewind, skip, forward, play, pause, volume up, down, and X. I like how they're adding like volume up, down controls and that. So like if your remote is far away, you can just like use this and you can actually control the basic features of your TV. It's pretty cool. Just put that right here. Just focus everything back. And so this let me actually get the batteries out. So these are basic standard AAA batteries. Let me just, why do you keep coming out? Power adapter. Oh, these are hard to get out. Amazon, why do you have to do this to me? Oh, that was so close. Okay, I got that out. Oh, let's just insert those into this. So, negative charge goes here, positive charge goes here. And so, yeah, I actually know how to insert batteries, not like other kids, so, I know a lot about this stuff. So, this, is the adapter. We just take the plastic wrapping off of it. Ugh, where are you, plastic wrapping thingy? That's not that smooth. I got that out easily. Okay. So we got this side of the box, and now we need to open this side. We just Amazon, why do you have such hard packaging? Yeah, we'll do that later. Okay. Oops, just knocked that over. So here's the cable that we use to power the stick. So you plug this to here one way, and then you get your stick and just plug that into the stick. So this is like USB-A. So like you can use this as your Android charger, but I don't know why you would, because your Android phone would probably come with a charger, and then you would plug that into the wall, like you would with any other streaming stick. Yeah. So I honestly have a Roku at home too. So like I honestly have another one like this, and I just got this one in the mail because I needed one for the my room. I actually have one in my living room. So this is the one for actually my room. So let me just put that like that. I'll just set that aside. Whatever. Just put that on the side. Okay. This is the pamphlet stuff. Actually, let's read the pamphlets later. Let's focus on taking this out. So I'll actually take this out from the back here. Okay, so this is the adapter thingy, extension thingy for this. So what you do is you actually plug this part into here. This is an extension, so you could go like this, and then you put that into your thing. So like this is what the full thing looks like. So let's actually read the paperwork. We just set everything aside. Whatever, I'll just bring everything back. Sorry for the messy stuff. So let's just do this pamphlet first because it was first. So this is just overview of everything. So next-gen Alexa voice remote. Just press and ask easily to find, launch, and controls movies, TV shows, dedicated power, volume, mute button, so that you control compatible TVs, soundbars, and receivers. And do more with your Fire TV. Ask Alexa to view live camera feeds, listen to music, or control compatible smart home devices like lights, thermostats, and more. So it says like Prime member benefits, which I personally am. And like I think you should get Prime because honestly it's really good even for the price. So Prime member benefits unlock thousands of movies, TV episodes, including Amazon Originals, add subscriptions to over 100 channels showing specialty and premium channels like Cinemax and Showtime. Something's always on. Choose from over 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Enjoy favorites from Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, Stars, HBO, CBS, All Access, and more. Stream live news, sports, must-see shows, plus thousands of titles and brilliant 4K Ultra HD, HDR10, or Dolby Vision. Watch Firefox or Sylve browsers. Visit millions of websites like YouTube, Facebook, and Reddit. So stream your favorite music and the songs, podcasts, like playlists, live radio stations, and podcasts through services like Spotify, Amazon Music, and iHeartRadio. Enjoy tens of millions of songs ad-free with Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. So just fold that back up, and there's nothing on the back here, so you don't have to. I just put that wrong. So there's nothing on the back here, so you don't have to worry about anything. I'm gonna set that aside with everything else. This. Okay, so this is just the basic stuff. What's in the box? Here's the thing of everything. Connect your Amazon TV stick 4K. Connect one end of the USB cable into your Amazon Fire TV and other end to your power adapter. Plug your Fire TV stick into the HD port of the TV. Plug your power adapter in your outlet. Turn on your TV and then select the HDMI. Incorporate HDMI output and yada yada yada. And you gotta complete the on-screen set. And then on the back of your remote, insert the included batteries after pairing your Alexa voice remote. On-screen instructions and yada yada yada. Let me just focus back on everything here. So honestly, like I really like this remote. It's just really basic. It has all the necessary things you would need for a streaming stick. Like honestly, in my opinion, it's just a really nice thing. Honestly, I love this. I love using it outside. I love using it everywhere. It's really portable if you want to go to somewhere else with the TV. And like, it has an on button so you can power on your TV. It has Alexa button. So, I don't know how that activated my other thing. The basic button for one, power off, home, back, menu, rewind, forward, play, pause, volume up, volume down, and mute. So that's the basic stuff. And then this is the streaming stick itself. Honestly, in my opinion, I just take all the stuff out of this. It's simpler. So, like, honestly, this is a very nice thing. It's like sleek for a streaming stick, and like, I just can't believe like all this good stuff is on like a streaming stick as small as this. Like all other things, like there's nothing compared to this. Honestly, like even a smart TV, like perhaps Android TV could compete, but like with any other TV, honestly, I love this. It's just like, and I can like, it's really like, okay, I dropped that. I just wanted to show you how lightweight it was. So like this, which is honestly really nice. So like all it comes with is the remote, the Safari 2 feet. Let's wrap the cake again. It comes with the cable. I'll just put that lengthwise, and an adapter. Overall, I would rate this a 9 out of 10 because Amazon OS is getting better, and so I would highly recommend this. And just like at the price, like it's about like, I don't know, 20 something dollars, 20, 30, 40 or something. But like with that price, like, and you get so much good stuff, like I would highly recommend this. So, like, subscribe, and click the bell button. As always, this is Tech Kid signing off.